In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create printable passport photo sheets in Canva on A4 for high-quality PDF printing. We're going to build a clean, professional layout that you can print at home or send to a print shop, and it all starts right in your browser. Open Canva and from the home page, choose Create a Design, then select Custom Size. Make sure the unit is set to millimeters and enter 210 by 297. That's standard A4. Click Create, and you'll land on a blank page that perfectly matches the paper size most printers expect. On the left panel, click Elements. In the search bar at the top, type Grid. You'll see a variety of layouts. Pick a grid with equal size squares, like 2 by 3, 3 by 3, or 4 by 4, depending on how many photos you want per sheet and the size you're aiming for. Once you've placed the grid on the page, use the corner handles to resize it so it fills the page nicely. Leave a small margin around the edges if you plan to trim by hand. That extra space makes cutting easier and prevents clipping. Now let's bring in your photo. Click Uploads, then Upload Files, and select your ID or passport photo from your device. When it appears in your Uploads panel, simply drag the photo into a cell of the grid. It will snap into place automatically. Repeat that drag and drop into each cell so every square is filled with the same image. To make sure each image looks consistent and compliant, click any photo in the grid and choose Crop. Adjust the face so it's centered and proportioned properly. A good guideline is to keep the eyes on a level horizontal line, allow a little space above the head, and avoid cutting off the chin. Apply the same crop feel across all cells so the sheet looks uniform. If you want a clean trimming guide, you can add an optional white frame. Go back to Elements, search for Square, and place one on the page. Set it to border only, with no fill, and resize it to sit neatly over a cell. A thin border helps you see where to cut without distracting from the photo. When you're happy with the layout, it's time to export. Click Share in the top right corner, select Download, and choose PDF Print. This format preserves sharpness and reliable color for professional-looking results. Download the file, and you're ready to print your sheet on A4 paper. That's all there is to it. Simple, precise, and ready for high-quality printing.